Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are at the workshop again. So now, you know, I wanted to reuse this old compressor, so we changed some things on it, and they really wanted to use it. But, recently we saw quite many videos about compressors that explode, because some weeks ago there was a case that the compressor exploded in the garage, and it hurt 2 people. One is in very bad state. In this case, I wanted to inspect the tank of the compressor. And finally, I think we will show what's inside. And the rust inside is really heavy. So in this case, I decided to change. Also we have a recent compressor that was used in our other workshop. Finally, I think I will bring it here, because we need to use some compressor, but this one is really in bad state. It will go to the junkyard, and I'm really sad because of this, because it was here since 60s, and now it's almost impossible to repair it. Well, you need to change the tank, but if you change the tank, it's the price of a new compressor. So that's why, I will have to put a recent one. And today we are continuing doing electricity. Well, I just wanted to say a couple of words about this compressor. For sure, it has all nice, brass things on it, and it finally what was making his charm. That's why I wanted to keep it. So now you don't have anymore as much brass on industrial equipment. However, the brass is a risk, because old brass can have also like corrosion or something that easy to make holes in it. And finally, that's the tank that becomes rusty, that makes it dangerous. So, we inspected the bottom of the compressor, you will see it on the video, and we saw that the lack of drying during years made its bottom completely corroded. So now, I just called the people from the junkyard, well, not from the junkyard, but people who get the metal, like scrap metal people. We call them gypsies. So, and they are really gypsies actually, and so they will come in some minutes, and we will unload it, and we will get another one that is the recent one, so no problem, apparently. We will see. I'm really sad to make go this old compressor. It was really nice. But well, we have to advance. It must be, a workplace, not a museum. À bientôt. Merci. That's the one that we had in the other workshop, and I think it can be still used. Oh. Okay, there's something inside the engine, but it doesn't turn. So I think I have to change phases again. Let's make a test now. Ladies and gentlemen, now the day is over. I will go to the chateau to check something. We need some cable. Otherwise, I want to test some solar light for the sculpture outside. You know, I'm really fond of solar power. And so, you know, I want to put it now to see. See you tomorrow. Okay, here, you know, on this building, we removed the ivy here in this zone. So now, as you can see, it's quite clear. It also presents some, you know, problems with the roof due to the ivy and also due to this cement outside, because inside it's finally stones and bricks. I will do something with it later. Now direct into the workshop and we will continue doing the electricity. As you saw, there's a part of electricity that is already done. We have compressed air, pneumatics. We'll have to blow it. To make the magic, you have to blow very hard. And that's it. So I wanted to just say something about the dog's place here. Somebody entered. Well, we already noticed that somebody comes by night or sometimes by day, but here he overpassed the limit because he hit the fence with his foot or something. He needed to break it, so he broke it, and he broke in, and he made the dog's escape. Also, something really weird, somebody left me a dead bird with like open belly. Here we won't show it because it's disgusting, but you will see. First I was thinking about some animal, but finally it's not in the place where an animal can access, you know. And usually animals, they eat birds, they don't just open their belly to leave them. It's very cruel what happened. I wonder who it was. Well, we already made the complaint to the police, but finally, you know, I don't know if it will do something, but just we will put cameras where the person can be. I'm not sure that the person is not watching us, but, you know, just so the person knows that now there will be cameras. Ladies and gentlemen, so now I'm on electricity here. Soon you will see again the chateau. We are getting some people that will continue with us. You will see in next videos. I think you will be pleased to see some people with us. So in all cases, see you soon. It's dirty actually.